Optimum Energy is chiller plant control optimization to reduce energy consumption. Basically what we do is we produce the amount of cooling that the building needs at the minimum operating cost. There is no way you can produce that amount of cooling at less operating cost than Optimum Energy does.
How do you do that?
We do it with custom proprietary software that we have written from a man that developed it as an engineering concept. We've taken it into the production mode of standard software that can be repeatable plant after plant after plant.
Now, how did you get involved here with the Glenboro project here at the Aventine?
Well, we were involved with that with Alpha Mechanical because they wanted to reduce their energy consumption because of the turn down in the economy. So we were able to put our software in conjunction with the existing chiller controls and reduce the energy consumption significantly.
Were you guys brought in pretty much at the beginning of the project?
Very close to the beginning of the project is when we need to be involved, so that the entire scope of work can be directed toward energy reduction.
I see, I see. And what actually was the process when you guys were brought into the project?
Well, the exact process is we come out, we take a look at the plant, we make an initial ROI financial analysis to see if this is in the realm of what Glenboro wants to spend and what they want to save. And then we do a detail analysis, and then it is installed through the contractor.
And I understand that once you had commissioned the building, Glenboro realized some pretty significant savings, from the results that you guys were able to glean from the commissioning. How much could you give us a little bit of insight as to how that worked and how much savings Glenboro realized?
Well, the way we work is we commission the building and then we continuously monitor it. We have people on staff that analyzes every morning the reports that we get from the plant. If there's been any trouble with the plant, anything that did not operate up to optimum standards, we evaluate that the next morning, go back to the responsible party, in this case the plant manager, and report to him on the changes that need to be made. And then with that, the savings are continued from the day that we commission it through the life of the building.
So you guys are monitoring 24/7?
24/7, 365. We never take any breaks, no vacations, no holidays. We monitor it all the time.
When do you sleep? Has there been any metrics produced on what the actual, have there been measurable savings?
There has been measurable savings, but I'd rather that the owner, Glenboro, presents that the way they want it to.
Understood. Understood. Anything else that you might want to add about either this project or other projects that you're working on?
Well, this particular project, we had a great total team. We were only part of the team, but the total team had one objective, and that was to get the LEED Platinum on it, and the entire team worked toward that, and a very well-organized team. So I want to thank Glenboro and all the people for their input to help us make this a successful project, not only for Glenboro, but for Optimum Energy.
That's a terrific story. Thank you, Roger.
All right. Thank you.